Repair tip here. We have a leaking toilet into the bowl. You may hear some dripping or see some water slightly in the bowl dripping in. We hear drip, 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 or a little bit inside the tank. What happened here was I had to replace the flush valve. And when I was replacing the old one, this rubber fill hose was swollen. And I was yanking it out of the holder here. It could have damaged this filler neck, this white thing. And you can see what happened here. This is the old one. This should be attached here. And it just snapped the filler tube clean off. So there could be a hairline crack in there or anything. But this tube has to be watertight. There should be no water getting in behind this tube down into the filler neck, because this is open, this hole, and the water goes straight down in there and into the bowl. So if you can flash a flashlight down in the hole with the bowl full of water, and if you see any dripping down into the tube, you know there's some kind of break in this filler neck. And that would have to be replaced, the whole neck, which I did. If it doesn't, it's probably the flapper that's leaking. But this one broke clean off. So be very careful when you're changing these. Do not yank on this tube at all. It's got to be totally intact. So just grab it from the bottom and don't yank the filler neck side to side, because that will snap it and then it will leak. Okay, thanks guys.